Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav met Union Home and Cooperation Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi. They discussed important political and administrative matters. The Chief Minister also met BJP National President Nitin Nabin along with the State BJP President Hemant Khandelwal. Sources say the leaders talk about possible organizational changes in Madhya Pradesh. Discussions were also held about new appointments in the coming months. The meetings are seen as important for strengthening the party and government coordination in the state. Political observers believe some key decision may be announced soon. The Economic Offences Wing has exposed a major paddy scam worth Rs 2.73 crore in Balaghat. Officials from the District Marketing Department and Civil Supplies Corporation are under investigation. Two rice mill owners close to former Minister Ramkishore Kanware are also named in the case. Police have registered charges of cheating, forgery and criminal breach of trust. Authorities say government paddy was misused, causing heavy financial loss. The investigation is ongoing and strict action has been promised. Officials say transparency and accountability will be ensured in government procurement system. Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan stopped his convoy while travelling from Bhopal to Gwalior after he saw an injured young man lying on the road. A crowd had gathered around him. The minister immediately ordered his team to help. The youth was taken to a nearby hospital in the minister's vehicle. Eyewitnesses praised the quick response. Doctors said the injured person received timely treatment. The gesture has been widely appreciated by locals. Many people said such actions show sensitivity and responsibility from public representative during emergencies. The Madhya Pradesh Staff Selection Board has announced 728 vacancies from Forest Guard post. Eligible candidates can apply online from February 28 to March 14. The recruitment offers a major opportunity for young job seekers in the state. Officials said the selection process will be transparent and merit-based. Interested candidates must check eligibility criteria and submit application within the deadline. The government aims to strengthen forest protection through these appointments. Many aspirants have welcomed the announcement, calling it a big employment opportunity for youth in Madhya Pradesh. Health Minister Rajendra Shukla announced that the state has received 8 lakhs HPV vaccines to prevent cervical cancer. The vaccine will be given free to girls across Madhya Pradesh. The government aims to reduce rising cervical cancer cases. Rural health facilities will be strengthened and a special type 1 diabetes clinic will open in district's hospital. Telemedicine services will also expand to reduce hospital crowding. The minister said that this is a major step towards women's health safety and better healthcare access across the state. 9 new cheetahs from Botswana have arrived at Kuno National Park. The group includes 6 females and 3 males. Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav symbolically released 3 cheetahs into quarantine enclosures. They were airlifted from Gwalior Airport by Air Force helicopter. Under the Cheetah Project launched 3 years ago, India has now 48 cheetahs. Of these, 45 are in Kuno and 3 are in Gandhi Sadgar Sanctuary. The minister called it a historic partnership between India and Botswana for wildlife conservation. Transport Minister Rao Uday Pratap Singh said bus operators do not need to go on strike over the proposed new transport policy. Speaking in Sagar district, he assured that private bus operators' interests will be protected. He said their buses will continue running and drivers and conductors will keep their jobs. The government aims to improve the transport system, not to harm livelihoods. The statements came after some operators warned of a possible strike. The minister urged cooperation for better public transport management. Authorities removed 9 illegal dairies built near Kaliasot Dam in Bhopal. The action was taken following orders from the National Grain Tribunal. Officials said 18 dairies had encroached on the dam area. Revenue, municipal and police teams carried out the operation using bulldozers. Animal farming and milk production were happening illegally near the water body. Officials stated that such encroachments harm the environment and water quality. The administration warned that strict action will continue against illegal construction to protect natural resources. BJP MLA Rameshwar Sharma watched the film Shatak with hundreds young supporters in Bhopal. The film marks 100 years of the Rashtriya Swamsevak Sangh, founded in 1925 by Keshav Baliram Hegdewar. It showcases the organization's journey and social work. The MLA said the film will inspire youth and connect them to the values and history of the RSS. He praised the effort to present the century-long journey in an engaging way.